So all of my students in the group classes are enrolled into the VEDAMO system as users. And so they have their own profile. They can click on My Courses, and I upload every course that I have, all PDFs and material for every session that I have in their system. So they're able to look at that 1 week early. In the course description box or lesson description box, I always hyperlink materials for them. I use YouTube, and I privately list all of my lesson videos. So they all get a class playlist on YouTube. I utilize that. Not only that, but I also record every session of theirs, and I give them a playlist for their live sessions, so they can go back and see anything that they've missed. But one of the things that I would suggest is that with YouTube for the classes, because they can run up to 2 hours, that you do timestamps on your YouTube description box. So if a student has to exit out early, they can just click the timestamp in the description to see what they might have missed. So for example, cup of conversation that we do, and then the lesson, and then a discussion on the grammar point for that day. It's all time-stamped so that they can go back and review it and not have to search the whole video, and then the final review. So I would highly suggest using YouTube to store, or any type of platform like that to store, but using timestamps